Welcome back to Double Veranda Judging. All 5 houses have been judged, and I'm about to dish out the scores. There's 10 grand up for grabs, and Elise and Matt have a bonus point name to play. Or not. Let's get the scores. OK, Darren Palmer, Mitch and Mark.
This is our first room, but I'm quite happy for this to be our last. Oh, well done, boys.
Well done.
Well done.
Woo.
Tess and Luke.
They obviously haven't been able to spend as much money on it. It shows.
Andy and Dab.
I think this is actually quite a nice space.
Oh, that's all right.
Elise and Matt.
I like how consistent they have been with that monochromatic palette. I think they've done it really nicely.
And Jesse and Mel.
It's meh.
Five.
Ouch.
Haven't had a score like that since the ensuite we didn't
That was
finish.
like the 3 we got.
Yeah, that's a tough one. OK, here we go. Shayna Blaze. Mitch and Mark. Here we go.
These verandas are the emotional spaces to their home, and they've nailed it, and I'm sold.
Well done, boys.
Could it be the trifecta?
Tess and Luke.
They've done really well in their styling, their look. I feel it's got a beautiful energy to it.
Andy and Deb.
I actually think there's a lot of wrong choices here.
Elise and Matt.
That's a park bench. That doesn't belong on a veranda.
You're kidding me.
And Jesse and Mel.
Come on, like, please.
Here you go.
Oh.
Wow.
All right. Elise and Matt, you want to use the bonus points?
Yeah,
I wouldn't have
do you
thought
know
so,
what?
Scotty.
I think it's a grand idea.
Yes?
No.
What a surprise. I'll see you in a minute.
Can the boys get 30?
Neil Whittaker, Mitch and Mark.
It is the ultimate entertainer's space.
Tess and Luke.
It's beautifully styled, and I think they've really done the absolute best with the available budget.
Andy and Deb.
It's hard to get excited about.
Elise and Matt.
Everything seems to be misplaced. It just doesn't work.
Jesse and Mel.
It's lazy. It feels really lazy.
OK, here we go. The winner of Veranda Week on the Block. Here we go, with a perfect score.
Yes!
A perfect score is like amazing. I can't wait for the guys to go through it tomorrow and tear the thing to pieces.
Well done, boys.
Perfect score.
The whole vision that we had from, week 2 is now concluded and concluded on a perfect score. It's great.
Well, congratulations, boys. 30 out of 30, perfect score.
Thank you.
That is something to celebrate. Well done.
Absolutely, thank you.
Thank you.
Here's how all the scores went down. Taking it out with the first perfect score of the season are Mitch and Mark. Coming in a distant second are Tess and Luke. A styling fail means Deb and Andy come in equal third, with a disappointing Elise and Matt. And paying the price for lack of effort, Jesse and Mel came last. Congratulations, of course.
Thank
You'll
you.
find $10,000 hidden inside your TIG One All Space as you
Fantastic.
drive out of here tonight. See you later.
Thank you.
Let's go to the front, they never find it.
It'll be easy.
What's exciting about it is we've now won 3 rooms. All of them are on level 3, and all of them are about the change that we did.
Are you going to do
Oh,
this?
yeah, here it is. It's not here.
Have you found it?
Got it.
Yes.
It's easily stuff.
So to me, that says the judges are going, you're actually on the right track.
We want to add
And it's
more
a big
rooms
change.
to level 3, actually.
We thought we'd go up. Yeah. See? That is going to come in handy this week. So.